Hi, in this video I will show you how you can turn any square or rectangular image into circular, because I think circular is probably the best shape to showcase a human face or to show some photos in a much modern style and much more interesting compared to a regular square. So I have this rectangular picture with a woman right here, and I'm going to turn it into circle. Now the first thing that I'm going to do is I have to visit the elements menu, and here you want to scroll down to the bottom and find the menu or the section that's called frames. Click see all, and there are so many options, but of course this tutorial is going to be specifically talking about circle frames, and I'm going to click on the circle frame. Okay, let's put the circle at the top and this image at the bottom. Now the next thing that we have to do is we have to put this image into this frame. Well, fortunately it's very simple. You just need to click on the image and drag it to the frame. Canva will recognize the image and will immediately put the image into the frame. Now the only problem is if you have a picture and then your face is not precisely in the middle, now you probably will see this result, which is not exactly what we want. The face is leaning towards the left side of the circle, and we want to put this face to be precisely in the middle of the circle. So what you need to do is you have to double click on the frame, and then you want to drag the area that you want to make it visible on the frame. And also you can resize the image, you can make the face to be a lot bigger and much more visible. When you're done, click done, or you can also click anywhere on the empty area of your design, and boom, this is exactly how you can put or turn any square image into circular in Canva. I hope you find this video helpful.